Today I'm going to show you some oils that can help with toenail fungus treatment, highlighting the benefits and characteristics of each one and the correct way to use them. Eucalyptus oil. This essential oil is widely known for its antimicrobial and antifungal properties. It not only directly combats fungi but also soothes irritation and improves the appearance of the affected nail and skin. How to use. Mix 2 drops of eucalyptus oil with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Apply directly to the affected nail once a day. Let it dry naturally. Tea tree oil, the king of antifungals. Tea tree oil is widely recognized for its antifungal and antibacterial properties. It can be very effective in combating toenail fungus, especially in milder cases. How to use. Apply tea tree oil directly to the affected nail using a cotton swab or applicator. Let it sit overnight, covering the nail with a sock or band-aid. Repeat this process daily until you see results. Tea tree oil is natural, easy to find, and has a solid track record of effectiveness against fungus. However, some people may have allergic reactions, so it's important to test it on a small area of skin before applying it to the nails. Oregano oil. Oregano oil has proven to be highly effective in treating fungal infections. It contains compounds like carvacrol, which are known for their potent antifungal properties. How to use. Dilute the oregano oil in a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or olive oil, before applying it to the nail. Use a ratio of 1 to 2 drops of oregano oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. Apply the mixture to the affected nail twice a day. Let the oil sit for at least 30 minutes before washing. Oregano oil is a powerful treatment, but it can also be irritating to the skin, so always dilute it and do a sensitivity test before use. Lavender oil, calming and healing. Besides its amazing aroma, lavender oil helps heal the skin around the nail and has mild antifungal properties. Perfect to complement the treatment. How to use. Apply 2 drops directly to the nail before bed. No need to rinse. Let it work overnight. Use daily until you notice improvement. Bonus, it helps reduce stress, which also strengthens the immune system. Clove oil, intense antifungal power. Clove oil is known for its fast effect against fungal infections. It also reduces inflammation and pain. How to use. Dilute 1 drop of clove oil in 1 teaspoon of olive or coconut oil. Apply with a cotton swab to the affected nail once a day. Avoid direct contact with the skin, as it may cause burning. Coconut oil, hydration and protection. Coconut oil is milder but still effective. It creates a barrier that prevents fungus growth and hydrates the skin. How to use. Apply a small amount of pure coconut oil to the nail in the morning and at night. Massage well and let it dry naturally. Safe for daily use, even on sensitive skin. Simple step-by-step treatment routine. Wash your feet thoroughly and dry them completely. Apply the chosen oil to the affected nail. Repeat daily without missing a day. Consistency is key. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more natural solutions. Have any questions or suggestions? Leave them in the comments.